Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? So today I'm gonna go ahead and teach you how you can change the font size of your product title in your Shopify Horizon theme. All right. So by the time you're done with this video, you will be able to change the font size of your product title. All right. Now let's go ahead to the video tutorial. So to do that, what you want to do is to come here to the online store and you want to come to themes. Okay. As you can see right here, then right here I have Horizon, and I'm going to go ahead and click on edit theme. And right here, it's actually optimized for mobile. So I'm going to change it to desktop. All right. So the next thing you want to do is to come here to home page. Okay. Click on this home page drop down. Then you want to click on products. Okay. And I have a product added. So I'm going to click on products there. And the next thing you want to do now is to change this. All right. So to actually change the font size. Okay. So what you want to do is to come here to this products information. Okay. Then sorry. You want to click on that. All right. Click on the drop down and you want to click on this header. Okay, you want to click on the drop down of header, and right here that says product title, you want to double click that. Okay, so you're gonna double click that, just like double click. I don't know how you go about that, but you just double click it so that it can make it pop up like this. Okay, so that you'll be able to edit it. And also possibly if you also click this also, you will be able to do that. All right, so if you hover around this and double click it, you will also be able to get this. All right, so now the moment you're done with that, you want to come ahead and just scroll down a bit, and you want to come to this typography, this preset. All right, then click on that, and you can actually make it headline 5, so it's gonna reduce it. Okay, or you can make it headline 2. Okay, it makes it more bigger. So depending on what you want, you can actually add your header. All right, and right here is a custom. Okay, and maybe you're not cool with all this headline. Okay, maybe you don't want all this headline one, you want a specific type size for your product title. Okay, so what you can do is to come to the theme settings. Okay, you can also click on this theme settings here, or you can click on this. All right, but however, you can also just click on the size. You can either go to the theme settings to do that, or you can just use the size here. So you can increase the font to any pixel that you want. All right. So you just do whatever you like. All right. And you can keep increasing and decreasing it. All right. So that's how you can go about changing the font size. All right. But in case you also want to change the font, maybe you're like, oh, Maverick, how can I go about changing the font? Also, maybe you want to use Anton or any kind of font. You can actually come to the theme settings here. Okay. And just click on the theme settings. So you can click here. All right. It's the same thing. So to change the font, all right, what you want to do is to come here, all right. As you can see, you have the typography, all right. So right here, once you're in typography, you want to come here to your heading, all right. Then you can select the font you want, all right. So let's say I want to use Anton, all right. You can just select Anton. And it's selected, all right, but you can see that it hasn't reflected. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to this section, and I'm going to double click product title. All right, sometimes it doesn't actually work, so you have to click, then double click again. So now you can see, so right here in the font aspect, I'm just going to change it to heading. So because I actually changed the fonts to Anton in heading, so right now I'm just going to change it to heading. All right, so that's how you go about that. All right, and maybe you want the subheading. So if I change it to Anton here, because it's subheading at your side, if it's subheading, you can actually change it to Anton also, to whatever font you want to use, and it's going to go ahead and do that. Right, so that is exactly how you can change the font also. And I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials right there for you guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.